Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Stiebel Eltron tankless water heater is not heating properly or not activating at all, the flow sensor could be the reason behind it. The flow sensor is responsible for detecting water movement and signaling the unit to start heating. If it doesn't detect proper flow, the system won't turn on, even though everything else seems fine. This can make it feel like a major issue, but in many cases, it's caused by simple problems like low water pressure, blockages, or minor internal buildup. Once you find the cause, the heater should return to normal operation. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to troubleshoot the flow sensor and fix the issue. And try these. 1. Ensure water supply valves are fully open. 2. Check for proper water pressure and flow. 3. Clean inlet filters to remove debris buildup. 4. Turn the unit off and back on to reset the system. 5. Inspect connections around the flow sensor area. 6. Test the heater again to confirm it activates properly.